1698, trying to bounce off that 17 mark. Taking a look here at the chart here, zooming in. We've seen this thing starting to form here, a bottom off of this beat down here. Okay, look at this. You guys came down to the same exact area. Big run here. $1.80. Oh, I didn't even realize that until I just zoomed out. So off that 14-cent mark, huge move, almost to $2. Kind of brought it all the way back down here over time. Unfortunately, just beat it down with a lot of selling here. Trying to get a better read here. Okay, so right now, is that bottom forming? Look at this. Look at this bottom right here, forming exactly how it did here. Look at that bottom back over here in August of 2016. That bottom is going to be the first time it's had a significant steady move that you're seeing down here at the 17-cent mark. Is it getting ready for a move? It's very hard to say at this, this given time, in my personal opinion, but I want you to watch. Look what's going on here with the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are just probably the tightest I think I've seen these here quite some time on this this chart right there. Tightening in, hitting that bottom, hitting that low of 1651. Looks to be about the 17 mark is going to be a solid low for this one. More importantly, where's that low at? 1680, 17. We're going to go with 17 being a support level here. Watch for this volume to start picking up here and break you through the 20-day simple moving average that we see around the 1971, 1959 to be exact. A break of the 25. Watch for the fireworks here. My personal opinion, it could be setting up here, but you're going to want to watch for a break of that 30-day simple moving average first. If you guys get a break of that 30-day simple moving average, it could head up much higher than that. But again, starting to stabilize here. Got up to the 20-day, rejected off that 20-day, coming back down to the 17 and trying its way from here again. Taking a look at the chart here. Again, we have not covered this one before, so it's always interesting, as I always say, to take a look at these stocks for the first time. And we'll see what Joe has to add as I type up my opinion.
All right, so for the filings, they had an NT10K on April 3rd, and it was stated that, let's see, the Form 10Q or subject distribution report, it will be filed on or before the 5th calendar day following the prescribed due date. So I'm guessing that, what's that, 15, the annual report, let's see, exchange. All right, so in consideration of the additional time required by management to consider the potential consequences of these discussions with stakeholders and make appropriate revisions to the financial statements and disclosures in the company's annual report on Form 10K for the year ended December 31st, 2016, such an annual report on the Form 10K cannot be filed within the prescribed time period without unreasonable effort and expense. So, I mean, it should be up, say, 15 days from the 3rd, so you figure maybe next Friday. So then the last press release was on March 9th. It was ATLS Energy Group announces 2016 Schedule K1 available. And then about the company, ATLS Energy Group LLC is a limited liability company which owns the following interests: 100% of Titan Energy Management, which owns a 2% preferred member interest in Titan Energy LLC, an exploration and production company, 80% general partner interest and incentive distribution rights, as well as an 8% limited partner interest in Atlas Growth Partners, LP, 16% general partner interest and a 12% limited partner interest in Lightfoot Capital Partners, which invests directly in energy-related businesses and assets. Lightfoot has approximately 27% limited partner interest in ARC Logistics Partners, LP, an independent U.S.-based energy logistics service provider. So their website is www.atlasenergy.com. And these guys, they're on the QX as well. So they're traded on the QX, which is like the top tier over there on otcmarkets.com. And so if you have an opinion, you want to do more due diligence on this company, just go right over to the ATLS board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, that's right. ATLS. You guys see all this stuff that Joe was just going through. Available over here on Investors Hangout. Recent news, filings, financials, time and sales, company profile, all at your fingertips. Completely free. With the chart, again, like Joe said, highest tier of the OTC markets, $17.98 for the share price. That is just shy of 18 cents. Watch could be setting up for a run here, in my opinion. Resistance at 1959 and 2571. And it's going to be the 20 and 30-day simple moving average tied in with the 10-day at 20 cents. Support at 1453. A break of the 30-day simple moving average. Again, it's going to be at 2571 right here. Could send us much higher faster, in my opinion. So we're going to watch this for the buying pressure to pick you up again. I wouldn't get too excited until you see that break of the 30-day. Remember, with the 30-day simple moving average and all the moving averages, they do move with the stock price. So again, even though right now it's at 2571, there's a good chance by next Tuesday, Wednesday, that could be at like 24.27. Okay, so if you break that 30-day at 24.27, same exact thing, it could go up from there. So we'll continue to watch this one moving forward. ATLS. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And go ahead and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested. The more it's requested, the more we cover it. And don't forget to join us live on our next live stream on investorshangout.com/live.